Hey, it's Mark Nolan in the DEI Garage, and what I have before me here is the Jeep Wrangler Sound Deadening and Insulating Headliner Kit. This stuff's so impressive, I'm not sure you can even hear me because I'm so close to it. You know, if you're a Jeep Wrangler owner, you know the hardtops, they look unfinished inside, and because they're bare fiberglass, a lot of the noise echoes through the interiors, and they don't do a whole lot to insulate against the heat and the cold. But these are designed to improve acoustics and reduce all that annoying noise, and it makes conversations easier to hear, improves the sound system, audio quality, everything you're hoping for in that situation, right? And it insulates against heat in the summer and cold in the winter as well. It's made of marine grade acoustical foam, CNC cut for exact precise fit, self-adhesive backing as well for an easy install. And it's available in black, gray, and in white. Also in a couple of different finishes. You got original and sort of a leather look to go along with that as well. Jeep Wrangler Sound Deadening and Insulating Headliner Kits. DesignEngineering.com.